How can I connect my PS4 to my laptop and use it as a monitor with an HDMI cable?
Hello there. Today we're going to take you through the process of connecting your PlayStation 4, PS4, to your laptop using an HDMI cable. This method allows you to use your laptop as a monitor for your PS4, perfect for on-the-go gaming or if you don't have access to a traditional TV screen.
What will you need?
To connect your PS4 to your laptop, you'll need a few things: your PlayStation 4 console, a laptop with an HDMI input port, an HDMI cable, internet access, the PS4 Remote Play app on your laptop.
Is your laptop compatible?
Before we proceed, it's important to note that not all laptops have an HDMI input port. Many laptops only have an HDMI output port, which won't work for this purpose. The HDMI input port allows your laptop to receive video signal from an external device, like a PS4, while an HDMI output port is meant to send video signal to an external display. Ensure that your laptop has the right port, which is typically labeled HDMI in.
How to download and install the PS4 Remote Play app.
Next, you'll need to download and install the PS4 Remote Play app on your laptop. This app will allow your laptop to act as a monitor for your PS4. You can download the app from the official PlayStation website. 1. Go to the PlayStation website. 2. Navigate to the PS4 Remote Play download page. 3. Download the app for your laptop's operating system. 4. Install the app following the on-screen instructions.
How to connect your PS4 to your laptop.
Now we're ready to connect your PS4 to your laptop. 1. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into your PS4 and the other end into the HDMI input port on your laptop. 2. Turn on your PS4. 3. On your laptop, open the PS4 Remote Play app. 4. Sign in to your PlayStation Network account. 5. The app should automatically search for your PS4. Once it's found, the screen of your PS4 will appear on your laptop. Note, if the app doesn't find your PS4, ensure your PS4 and laptop are on the same network, and try manually registering your PS4 on the app. That's it. Now you can enjoy your PS4 games directly on your laptop. Remember that the quality of your gaming experience may depend on the speed of your internet connection, as the PS4 Remote Play app relies on streaming to display your PS4 screen on your laptop. Enjoy your gaming, and see you next time.